We're still waiting on news about the POV migration. In my last video, I shared 2 possible theories on what might be going on behind the scenes, so if you want you can check that out. But for now, let's set that aside because Verasity has been cooking. First up, the new VeraWallet Off-Ramp is now live, and that means you can cash out your VRA straight to your bank account. The process is pretty straightforward. Tap withdraw, quick KYC, choose the amount and put in your bank details. Unless you live in Cuba, Congo or Korea, the north one, you should be good to go. Then we've got some fresh partnerships rolling in. One of them is Ispolink. They're building a gamified AI-powered metaverse called Ispoverse. Verasity will have a booth in there when it launches. Now, personally, I'm not a big fan of these metaverses, but there's clearly some value. Next up is Crypto Autos, a luxury car marketplace accepting crypto payments. They've had praise from big names like Altcoin Gordon, and Verasity is working with them to integrate video infrastructure and potentially even enabling VRA payments for rides or rentals. That's one to keep an eye on for sure. And of course, we've got the monster Binance Alpha trading competition with over $1.2 million worth of VRA up for grabs. And with the recent price moves, it's about $1.65 million right now. Verasity has been active on X, engaging with a lot of key crypto projects, some of which, and speculating a little, we have Kaito, the mindshare platform. A partnership here would probably break Kaito as we know it, and Verasity would sit at the top of the mindshare leaderboards. It'll be unmovable for sure. Veracity's also interacted with Ton and Radium is really related to Solana. And since they've just bridged to Binance Smart Chain, this could hint at multi-chain expansion to Ton and Solana. And then, of course, they've also been interacting a lot with Binance, and with already one foot in the door with the Binance Alpha listing, maybe a Binance CX listing is coming down the line. And then this one wasn't just a reply, it was a quote post, and that is Twitch, because Twitch recently posted about their efforts to remove fake views and clean up view botting, making sure view count reflect real users. Verasity replied to that post and said that they should talk. A Twitch partnership might sound far-fetched, but a few years down the line, I think it's definitely possible. The alignment makes sense, and if Verasity can prove their tech works at scale, this is the kind of deal which will change everything. So yeah, POV migration is still the big piece missing, but if we look at everything else, you can see there's a lot of big moves are going on. Let's see what happens. This is my research, do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.